In this video, we are showing how to open a Pro version device. So there are 4 screws of M3. First, we have to open a diagonal screws to the 50%, and then these two 50%, and then first two for remaining 100%. So I will show you. So this is the first set of diagonal screws which I am opening only till it's 50%. As you can see, this is now open till only 50%. So now we can remove this remaining two diagonal screws. Now first two screws we have to remove till it's 100%. And now we can access the battery. Now I will again show you how to tighten back these screws. So we have placed all 4 screws in this. Always start with the diagonal screws, tight it to the 50%. Then this diagonal 50%. And now you can see these are uniformly fit to 50%. Now remaining we have to tighten to its full strength. And now you can see this device is fully closed from all sides.